G'day everyone, welcome back. So today I want to do a video on how to get out of a low chair more easily. Now this is a question I'm asked quite regularly, and I thought today's episode would be dedicated to explaining what you can do to help you get out of a really low chair that actually doesn't have any armrests so you can push up. Okay, some people also have shoulder injuries or things like that, which really stops them from pushing up. And then when they go to friends' houses or families' houses and they have a lounge like this, sometimes they get a bit worried that they're not going to be able to actually get back up. Okay, so the reason we have issues getting out of the chair, well, the main reason I should say, is due to a lack of strength in our big thigh muscles here, our quadriceps. So when we're in a really low position, our knee is in a pretty great angle. So that requires more of your quad muscle to actually contract and get your body weight up, okay? There is a lot of glute work there as well. So I do recommend going back into some of my previous videos where I have some glute strengthening exercises. I think a great one for that would be the glute bridge. However, I think the main thing we need to focus on is really strengthening our quads, okay? So the first and the best way to do that, I think, and the easiest way, which doesn't require you going to a gym or even leaving your living room, is to just find something that's a bit higher. So I'm about to show you from my bed, because that's the highest chair. And what we'll do is we'll start by doing some sit to stands just like this from the bed. And what we want to do is we want to work up to about 10 reps at that higher level, and then we want to go down to a medium level, okay, and then down to a low chair just like this. Alright, so now we've found the biggest chair height or position, the highest position for me to be able to do a sit to stand in my house. Okay, and if you're really struggling to find anything that's high, I think I have something in the pipeline which may be able to help with that coming up. So I'll let you know when I come up with that. Anyway, so what we want to do is now we want to work on just doing our normal sit to stand from this high bed. So we're just going to come up, straighten, and then slow on the way down, back up again. And when we can do about 8 to 10 of these comfortably, okay, what we want to try, and that's using no hands. No hands, just want to come up. All right, so when we can do 8 to 10 of these comfortably, then I think it's worth trying to progress to a bit of a lower height. So once you've been able to do 8 to 10 off the high bed or high chair, the next thing we can do is just get a bit of a medium-sized chair. So this would have been quite low, so I've added a couple of cushions. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to try and work up to about 8 to 10. Okay, if this is starting to feel easy when you get to 8 to 10, making it even harder, that angle is getting greater. And then finally, what we could do is go back to that low chair and give that a go, maybe with the cushions, and try that. See how you go. Hopefully over time you'll be able to get out of a low chair. You'll build that strength in your quads. And again, building strength does take time, so this is not an overnight thing. I think what you should try and think of is to build strength we need, weeks. So I would say in 2 months or so you might be able to even get out of a lower chair height. You've built that strength. Okay, and just a reminder that these exercises might not be right for you, so please check in with your doctor before starting any new exercise regime. And if it causes you a lot of pain, then I recommend just stopping. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have a topic in mind you want me to cover, just like one of these, then comment or send me a message on my Instagram.